Alright, so excuse the mess. What you're looking at here is the cockpit for the bae146. It looks kind of messy. Get rid of that. And kind of what you're looking at there is the, if anybody saw my video on the cockpit build for the BE200, you kind of know where I'm going with this. Basically, here's the cockpit. These lines right here that you see coming across, they represent these panels right here that you see there. And so what would happen is these panels would be cut, and this is panel, what is this one? This would be panel A, panel B, and panel C. So panel A would be here, this panel would be cut down the middle, and it would be glued to there. The other half over here would be glued on the other side of that, and so on. And this would be panel B, that would be glued to this line right here. This half of this panel would be glued to here, the other half would be on the other side, and so on. That would be to the bottom line there. And the way it would look something like, let me see here. Anyways, it looks something like this. This is what I built for the BE200. This is how it would look. Just like that right there. Same concept. Anyways, so let's get rid of that. And what I did is let's pick this guy up here. About a week and a half ago, I came across some foam, and came across some blue foam. So what I did is, in the past, I would print out in paper what I would cut out and stuff in foam, but this is pretty simple, straightforward, as you saw in the prior video. And basically what I did is I cut out the mold to the bae146 in blue foam. Let me get back here, as you can see it. Now I'm still missing the riser, or the level is going to go from here to the back, and it will be covered from this line that you see there coming down, and so on. And so I bought some pink foam, and basically what I did is, let me see if I can find it. Here we go. This is basically what I did. Now this ain't the there we go. The aircraft you're looking at there is not the it's not the bae146. This is another aircraft that I just kind of was messing with, but it's the same concept. And then you see these lines right here. This will be cut, and then the blue one will be sliding underneath there. Anyways, that's the concept. And what I did is I went back and I put the pink foam in the middle. In this particular aircraft, the cockpit, there we go, actually starts coming down from here. It starts making its way down. On the sides, though, it starts coming in over here on the side. So it's offset by about maybe a little bit over 2 inches. Has this little offset. And it was done intentionally that way because the cockpit actually starts coming down further back than it starts coming in on the sides. And that's basically it. Just cut it out, and I went ahead and cut some just little formers so I can put the wrap it around in paper and foam board, same stuff as this. And that's basically it. And so did that, and I did this yesterday actually. I put the bottom ones in here, and this is one solid piece. This one is actually split down the middle. This one is actually, the pink one is split down the middle. And basically what I did is I put a groove on the blue one, so this one can slide into that groove. You can see the lines there. And then I just put that the glue that I use, which is this guy right here, and that's how I glued it. I used liquid nails for this pieces, and it's pretty sturdy, ain't going anywhere. And that's basically it. Here's where the wing bay is going to start. My wing bay will have to be cut out off of this. This will be my wing bay, and what will happen is this will sit here. Of course, this will be cut out right a little lower. But anyways, you get the idea. This will go like so, and it has a particular design that's it's gonna be cut out a certain way. And let's get this out of the way. So there it is right there. Not as big as my kayak, but close enough, right? And here's the wing bay. I'll go about right there. And then we got our wings. That little wings that you saw. There they are. They're right there. Now, these aren't the real wings to this aircraft. It's more streamlined than this, but I have to go with this wing only to give me a safety net. So I need to go with an easier wing build only because it's my first wing aircraft that I'm building. And this is going to be my practice aircraft and my practice wing foil. Now, I did the math according to the length, the height of the wing that this aircraft actually has, and it works out. It'll work out for this with this foil. And of course, this would be the paper. It would wrap around it right here like so. And I'll probably glue these tomorrow. Maybe add some more of these little riblets down the wing. But that's about it. Got this. I may go with got my lower and upper portions for that, and got the aircraft here. And next step, I guess, would be to cover it up. Thanks for watching.